First, we can start with a small prayer to Lord Shiva, who is supposed to be the creator of the world, and he is also the Nataraj, who is the god of dance as well. So it's a good thing to start by praying to him. And he is, the depiction as it goes, is that he is the Lord of all animals, all beings, and he slayed the elephant and he wears his hide. And who has the river Ganga, the Ganges, if you've heard of. And he has the Ganga locked in his tresses. And to such a Lord Shiva, let's all pray. So Sandeep will be singing with me for this one, and I hope you enjoy it.
पशूनां पतिं पापनाशं परेशं पशूनां पतिं पापनाशं परेशं गजेन्द्रस्य कृतिं गजेन्द्रस्य कृतिं वसानां वरेण्यं जडाजूडमध्ये स्फुरद्गाङ्गवारिं जडाजूडमध्ये स्फुरद्गाङ्गवारिं महादेवम् एकं स्मरामि स्मरारिं महादेवम् एकं स्मरामि स्मरारिं